So this is the end result, and this is the way I diced the kidney. Don't use the overripe plantain. Make sure you use the one that is just in between. In between, what I mean by in between is not too green and not too ripe. So something like this is kind of okay for you to use. So this is the blended pepper that I just did, and what I did is I just make sure that it's kind of coarse, so it's not too blended. So I'm just gonna put this on the cooker right now and make sure that it's really dry before I use the before I pour in my other stuff. So I'm just gonna leave this without putting anything for now. I'm just gonna put it on the cooker and make sure that it's well dried. So this is it. I'm just gonna make it fry a little bit. Put 1 tablespoon of Maggi, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of curry. I'm gonna leave it for like 1 minute for it to cook. You see how golden it is in there? So Gizzard is ready to munch. So this is the end result of our Dodo Gizzard, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe as well, and don't forget to thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.